Welcome back! Till now, we have seen together 10 new words and some words that you already know. That's a good start, but to use them in a correct sentence in French, you will need grammaire.
French grammar is difficult. That's why our goal is to learn only one grammar subject per video. In addition, we will learn one verb conjugation, which is also important for making sentences.
So today's grammar subject is...
Today's grammar topic is personal pronouns, subject pronouns. In English, pronouns are used instead of nouns to replace the nouns. In English, the subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Like in English, in French too, the subject pronouns are used to replace the nouns that are the subjects of the sentences. Different than in English, in French, the personal pronoun they, il, elle, differ when the subject is masculine or feminine.
Je,
I,
tu,
you,
il,
he, it,
elle,
she, it,
on,
we, one, people,
nous,
we,
vous,
you,
il,
they, for men,
elle,
they, for women. Let's repeat it one more time.
je,
I,
tu,
you,
il,
he, it,
elle,
she, it,
on,
we, one, people,
nous,
we,
vous,
you,
il,
they, for men,
elle.
they, for women. When the words that come right after the subject pronoun je starts with a vowel or the letter H, then je becomes J apostrophe. Please see the examples.
Je parle.
I speak.
J'ai.
I have.
J'habite.
I live.
In French, we use tu to say you when we talk to close friends, family members, and young people. We use vous to say you when we meet someone new, when we talk to strangers, and in every official situation to show politeness and respect. Tu means you in singular informal, whereas vous means you in singular formal or in plural formal and informal. In French, the personal pronoun on, which is the indefinite pronoun, le pronom indéfini, has more than one meaning. It is generally used as we in daily speech. However, it might also refer to one, someone, you, they, or people in general. Its meaning depends on the context.
Il is used when we talk about a group of men and or masculine nouns, whereas elle is used when we talk about a group of women and or feminine nouns. Even if there is only one male or masculine noun in the group, then we need to use il to refer them. In order to use elle, everybody and or everything in that group must be female and or feminine.